Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though the pressure on the Buhari regime regarding what is going on in South Africa is now starting to yield some results. So with that guys, I bring you this. Nigeria encourages citizens in South Africa to return home on free travel. So that's the headline. Nigeria encourages citizens in South Africa to return home on free travel. So now let's get into exactly what's been said here. The Nigerian government has advised its citizens to inform their relatives in South Africa to take advantage of a free return trip to Nigeria. This is because Air Peace, a Nigerian airline, volunteered to send an aircraft to South Africa to bring back Nigerians willing to return. This was announced by Ferdinand Nwonye, the spokesperson of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, in a statement on Thursday. Many Nigerians in South Africa have suffered from the latest xenophobic incidents, with many businesses destroyed and looted. Although at least 5 people have had tragic incidents in encounters targeting foreigners of African descent, the Nigerian government has said no Nigerian was part of the 5. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Geoffrey Onyema, said on Wednesday that Nigeria would not cave in on its 2 demands from South Africa, which is compensation for Nigerians whose properties were destroyed and provision of adequate security for Nigerians in South Africa. So it looks as though the penny has finally dropped for Malam Buhari and his regime. At least the pressures, at least from the Nigerian community, is now starting to bear some fruit. It's starting to show some results, because it looks as though now an action is now being taken, and it is the sort of action that Nigerians expect of its government. So to demand that compensation be paid to the people whose shops have been destroyed and whose lives have been disrupted by all these South African elements, and to also then make provisions for Nigerians wanting to return from that country to return at the government's expense, or at least free of charge at no cost to themselves. So now this is now a window of opportunity for these Nigerians to come back home, whilst the Nigerian High Commission in that country can continue to audit the damages that's been done to Nigerian businesses, and then to seek compensation from the South African government. So that's the latest development on that front, a direction of travel that we had all hoped for, but something that you would not really come to expect of Malam Buhari and his cabal. But it looks as though in this instance, public opinion has shifted them enough and moved them off their seats enough for them to actually take an action. And this action that they have taken, by the way, is the action that was being recommended within the media space. So this is not an original thought of Malam Buhari and his cabal. This is what people have been agitating for, and it looks as though they've just picked it off there and then just start taking it as a policy. But however and whatever happened and however they came about it, a direction of travel that we would like to see. So commendations there, and the only commendation you probably ever hear me give to this character, but at least an action is being taken, because we cannot have it that Nigerians in South Africa will be treated in the manner that they are being treated. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Malam Buhari taking an action on behalf of southern Nigerians. Wonders will never end is what I am saying. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of all of these in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.